初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I have a reservation tonight.
I have a reservation tonight.
我今晚有预定。
I have a reservation tonight.
I have a reservation tonight.
Can I check in now?
Can I check in now?
我现在可以办理入住吗？
Can I check in now?
Can I check in now?
I booked online last week.
I booked online last week.
我上周在网上预定的。
I booked online last week.
I booked online last week.
Here's my ID and card.
Here's my ID and card.
这是我的身份证和信用卡。
Here's my ID and card.
Here's my ID and card.
What time is breakfast served?
What time is breakfast served?
早餐几点供应？
What time is breakfast served?
What time is breakfast served?
Where's the elevator, please?
Where's the elevator, please?
请问电梯在哪里？
Where's the elevator, please?
Where's the elevator, please?
How do I get upstairs?
How do I get upstairs?
我怎么上楼？
How do I get upstairs?
How do I get upstairs?
My room key isn't working.
My room key isn't working.
我的房卡不能用。
My room key isn't working.
My room key isn't working.
This isn't the right room.
This isn't the right room.
这不是我订的房间。
This isn't the right room.
This isn't the right room.
I asked for a double bed.
I asked for a double bed.
我要的是双人床。
I asked for a double bed.
I asked for a double bed.
The room feels too cold.
The room feels too cold.
房间太冷了。
The room feels too cold.
The room feels too cold.
Can I get extra blankets?
Can I get extra blankets?
能多给我几条毯子吗？
Can I get extra blankets?
Can I get extra blankets?
The towels haven't been replaced.
The towels haven't been replaced.
毛巾没有更换。
The towels haven't been replaced.
The towels haven't been replaced.
I need more toilet paper.
I need more toilet paper.
我需要更多厕纸。
I need more toilet paper.
I need more toilet paper.
There's no hot water today.
There's no hot water today.
今天没有热水。
There's no hot water today.
There's no hot water today.
The shower isn't working properly.
The shower isn't working properly.
淋浴器坏了。
The shower isn't working properly.
The shower isn't working properly.
The lights keep flickering here.
The lights keep flickering here.
这里的灯一直闪。
The lights keep flickering here.
The lights keep flickering here.
This room smells really weird.
This room smells really weird.
这房间有怪味。
This room smells really weird.
This room smells really weird.
It's too noisy at night.
It's too noisy at night.
晚上太吵了。
It's too noisy at night.
It's too noisy at night.
Can I change my room?
Can I change my room?
我能换房间吗？
Can I change my room?
Can I change my room?
Please clean the room today.
Please clean the room today.
请今天打扫房间。
Please clean the room today.
Please clean the room today.
I'll leave the key here.
I'll leave the key here.
我会把钥匙放这里。
I'll leave the key here.
I'll leave the key here.
Someone left trash in here.
Someone left trash in here.
有人把垃圾留在这里了。
Someone left trash in here.
Someone left trash in here.
My window won't close fully.
My window won't close fully.
我的窗户关不严。
My window won't close fully.
My window won't close fully.
The air conditioner is broken.
The air conditioner is broken.
空调坏了。
The air conditioner is broken.
The air conditioner is broken.
Is there a laundry service?
Is there a laundry service?
有洗衣服务吗？
Is there a laundry service?
Is there a laundry service?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
What's the Wi-Fi password here?
What's the Wi-Fi password here?
这里的 WiFi 密码是什么？
What's the Wi-Fi password here?
What's the Wi-Fi password here?
Can I extend my stay?
Can I extend my stay?
我能续住吗？
Can I extend my stay?
Can I extend my stay?
I'll check out tomorrow morning.
I'll check out tomorrow morning.
我明早退房。
I'll check out tomorrow morning.
I'll check out tomorrow morning.
What time is checkout, please?
What time is checkout, please?
请问退房时间是几点？
What time is checkout, please?
What time is checkout, please?
Can I leave my luggage here?
Can I leave my luggage here?
我能把行李放这里吗？
Can I leave my luggage here?
Can I leave my luggage here?
I'm waiting for a taxi.
I'm waiting for a taxi.
我在等出租车。
I'm waiting for a taxi.
I'm waiting for a taxi.
Thanks, the stay was nice.
Thanks, the stay was nice.
谢谢，住得很愉快。
Thanks, the stay was nice.
Thanks, the stay was nice.
The staff was very friendly.
The staff was very friendly.
员工非常友善。
The staff was very friendly.
The staff was very friendly.
I'll write a good review.
I'll write a good review.
我会写好评。
I'll write a good review.
I'll write a good review.
I lost my room card again.
I lost my room card again.
我又把房卡弄丢了。
I lost my room card again.
I lost my room card again.
I locked myself out. Help!
I locked myself out. Help!
我把自己锁外面了，救命！
I locked myself out. Help!
I locked myself out. Help!
Let me speak to the manager.
Let me speak to the manager.
让我和经理谈。
Let me speak to the manager.
Let me speak to the manager.
I'd like a quiet room.
I'd like a quiet room.
我想要安静的房间。
I'd like a quiet room.
I'd like a quiet room.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。